Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the brand new AI week. So, in today's week, we are going to cover a brand new AI tool that will help you to create your own marketing videos and also help you to create reel or shorts just for your channel. So, if that sounds interesting, then let's roll the intro. Here we are inside the TopView website. All you have to do is log in into the website and click on Try Product Avatar for free. Now this is the latest tool that they have created. So first of all, let's choose a very basic kind of avatar, like for example this one, and replace my product image. So I'm going to be replacing the product image over here. Now this will automatically remove the image background and lets you create amazing AI avatar videos. So let me just make sure that this is in the center, and suppose this is my product, and let's confirm the product positioning. Now this will let you create content very fast. So you can see my shorts whenever I upload a reel or short. It has been created by this TopView AI. So I'm gonna be heading over to their AI avatar feature. Now you have many different options like avatar marketing video, video avatar, product avatar, photo avatar, and AI image generation, along with the long form video to short form video formation over here. So let's say you want to choose a video avatar over here, and then you can select in any avatar. I have recently used this avatar for my video creation, so you can choose any one of them. For example, I like this one, so I can simply select it. You can even write your text and select the voices. Now the voices are super natural, so I'm going to be selecting a audio for instance. Let's drag in this ElevenLabs generated audio and let's generate the video. So you can export this into 1080p, or you can turn off this watermark, or even though you can also go for the 720p and turn off this one. So let's go for this one and let me export it. Alright, so this is the video as you can see.
Are you ready to showcase your GUI design skills and compete for amazing prizes?
Well, this looks really great. All you have to do is now download this very simple video and you are ready to go. Alright, there is option for brand kit. So all you have to do is simply have a default setting. For example, I have 9:16. You can select this ratio over here, 16:9, and also you can change the language over here to anyone over here, let's say Arabic. And you can even add a end card and a watermark of your company. And also you can add in your music, AI voice, and you can also create your own AI avatar. Now this is very simple. All you have to do is upload your video and it will automatically create an avatar of yours, and that is super great because you don't have to create a video of yourself. You can just type in your text and you are ready to go for your content creation. And we have finally generated a simple product avatar over here. I have given a plain white image, so this has just given a box with this image or a circle. So you can simply upload in any image you want, any box image or any product image. This will automatically turn this into a product. And here is the preview.
You no longer have to spend a lot of time and money searching for real models to showcase your products. Use Top.
This is super great. Now you can save the avatar and use your own script or reanimate it. So if you want to create a video for your marketing, or if you want to create or automate your content creation process, what I do for my shorts video, use this tool. This is really amazing. So in the starting you will get some credits, and you can also go for their annual payment over here and get a $60 coupon with the annual payment method. As you can see, it is super cheap, so you have to just pay $9. This is really great, and you are awarded with 600 credit which expire annually, and you will have around 120 videos, which is really great. And they are providing the whole facility with a quite decent pricing and a great value product. I love this tool. There are many more tools, so you can check them all out. I will give the link in the description. All you have to do is go over to the link, click on it and just sign up, and you are ready to go. You will awarded with some credits. Make sure to use my link to get more credits, and also you will get tons and tons of features, like you can use all of these tools. And there are much more tools like real-time chat avatar which are coming soon. So make sure to check out this tool. I hope this video was really helpful in automating your content creation process and marketing videos. And this is a complete package tool that will allow you or help you in creating any kind of video from scratch. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe and share. I will meet you in the video. Until then, keep learning. Goodbye.